Hey everyone, this is Sugandha and you're watching Ready for English and I hope so y'all are well and y'all are waiting for my sessions. Today we will be discussing something interesting and yes, that is HR operations skills. Now, if you want to have your career as an HR operations executive, means if you want to have your career in HR operations, then what all skills are required? Now, this is the most asked question that, ma'am, what skills are required for HR operations? What skills are required for HR executive? What skills are required for HR journalist? What skills are required for HR recruiter? Now, see, apart from specific responsibilities or apart from specific skills, there are some general skills which you can say like every HR must have those skills. Okay, so those skills are really important. You must have those skills. For that, you can watch any kind of session like HR executive session or HR journalist session or even HR recruiter session. You will find few journal skills and rest are job specific. Like if roles and responsibilities will be different, then yes, skills will be different. Like if you will be asked to do some data analysis work, then yes, you need some data analysis skills. Okay, but rest is you need few skills that are same for each profile. So let's discuss these skills based on HR operations, based on profile, that is HR operations. Now, one request is there. If you're watching this session, then please go through another session which was HR operations roles and responsibilities. You can find that session in the pinned comment because if you won't be able to understand what are the responsibilities, what are the roles and responsibilities of HR operations, then it's really difficult to understand why you need these skills. You will feel that why you need these skills. Okay, so you must know what are the roles and responsibilities of an HR operations executive or a person who is working in HR operations domain. Okay, so let's get started. And basically, it requires a combination of technical skills, interpersonal skills, and yes, solid understanding of human resource principles. So first and foremost is HR knowledge. Now, this is really important for any HR profile, and I can say this is a journal skill for having a career in HR. So you need to have a strong foundation. You need to understand the basic terms in HR. You need to understand the principles, practices, policies. This is really important. It includes understanding of laws and regulations, compliances, employment laws and regulations, employee relations, compensation and benefits, performance management, and talent acquisition, recruitment. Now, do you need expertise in this? No, you don't need expertise, but you must know what is performance management, what is performance appraisal, what is compensation and benefit, what do you mean by employee relations, what is recruitment, what is the process of recruitment, what is talent acquisition. This is very basic and you must know about this. So you can have a look on these sessions from the pinned comment. All these sessions are available in different playlists. Like if you want to know about recruitment, then there is a playlist for HR recruiter. If you want to know about the journalist profile, then yes, HR journalist playlist is there, HR executive, and so on. Right, and journal sessions are also there regarding compensation, benefit, performance appraisal. Now, if you think that I'm promoting my sessions, then what you can do is you can skip my sessions. You can explore, you can Google it out, or you can YouTube it out. Means you can search on YouTube these sessions, and if you find these sessions somewhere else and you feel that yes, these sessions are good, then please take knowledge from there. I'm not promoting my sessions only. I am promoting the concept of having HR knowledge actually. Okay, so learn from anywhere. The short and long story is that you need to learn about these concepts from anywhere. Then only think about a career in HR, because once you are a graduate or postgraduate and you are an intern, you are a trainee, or you are a fresher, no one will tell you the basic things. They will expect you that you must know, and you must know how to grab things fast. So if you are aware of these terms, it will be really easy for you to grab these things easily and to start working in this fast paced environment. Okay, so this is like HR knowledge. Second is communication and interpersonal skills. Now you need to be very fluent in English or something like that. Yes, You need to be fluent, but you need to understand the regional language also, where you are going. Like, I want to give an example. Communication skills are not only the English skills, that is called as English communication skills, but communication skills are basically skills where you need to communicate your ideas in the right way so that other person can understand, and you need to understand other one's ideas so that you can know what they want to say. And this includes like reading, writing, listening, and speaking. So here comes the role of regional language. If you are from North India and you are going to work in South India, then it's really important that you must know the regional language of that place, right? Likewise, if you're going from east to west, west to east, or north to east, or anywhere, you need to understand the regional language, because the regional language is spoken by large number of people at that place. And it might be that if you are well versed in English, you are able to understand English well, you are able to communicate in English well, but where if you will go at some other place, there are a lot of labor, there are a lot of less educated people who are not able to understand English. So it's important that you must know the regional language, plus yes, obviously English language is a must, because you need to interact with the employees, managers, stakeholders, and strong written and verbal communication skills, active listening, and yes, the ability to convey information clearly and sensitively are really essential. Okay. Next is organizational skills. Now, what are organizational skills? As we know, HR operations require managing multiple tasks, and there could be deadlines, there could be priorities, right? So strong organizational and time management skills help HR professionals to stay organized and yes, meet deadlines and handle competing demands effectively. If you don't know how to manage your time, then yes, this will be a hurdle in your task, in your work. Okay. Next is confidentiality and integrity. This is very important. This is also HR journal skill. Now, HR professionals deal with sensitive and confidential information, and that is employee information, company information, lot of sensitive information, and you need a high level of professionalism while demonstrating them. Okay, you need to maintain confidentiality. Adhering to ethical standards are critical for building trust and credibility. Once it's spoken from your mouth, it's out. Don't ever think you can say sorry for it. It's out, it's confidential, it's sensitive. Yes, you have passed on that information to someone. No matter that person is your friend, no matter that person is your relative, your spouse, your parents, anyone. Confidential information is confidential information, and you must know how to keep it. Even if your parents are working there, you can say this is a confidential information, this is sensitive information, you can't pass on to someone else, even your siblings, relatives, or anyone. Fine. Now, last is collaboration and teamwork. Now, this is also very important, because often we get involved working closely with colleagues and managers, and yes, cross-functional teams as well. So, collaboration skills and ability to build relationships and a team-oriented mindset contribute to a positive work environment and yes, successful HR operations. Because when you need to interact with cross-functional teams, if you're not able to build the relationships, if you're not able to interact properly, if you're not able to collaborate with them, then it will be really difficult to take work from them and to give work to them. Okay, so both ways, collaboration and teamwork helps us a lot. Now, I have discussed about the HR journal skills that I'm talking, like for every profile you need, and for specifically for HR operations, these 5 skills you must have. Now, it could be that you need to do another kind of work. The skills which can be technical, or you can say the skills which are roles oriented. That could be like you must know about HR systems and technology. Okay, that is you need to know specific software which is used by the company. Then it could be they would be providing you training for few days or few maybe it could be 15 days, 20 days, or a month, and you would be able to work on that. Fine. So this is like specific HR systems and technology. Next is data analysis. Like if you have to work on HR data matrix, and you have to apply the trends, identify the trends, and you need to apply some strategies. Then again, you need specific skills for this, and that is like skills in data interpretation and data visualization and statistical analysis, right? So this is something specific. Now, apart from this, it could be like attention to detailing. You must have attention to detailing or problem solving, and yes, adaptability. Fine. So these are roles specific, and if you would be having these skills, then yes, it will be helpful for you to grow in this career, to grow as an HR operations very fast. Fine. And you would be able to perform your task smoothly. Right. So I hope so this was helpful, and if it's helpful, please do let me know in the comment section, and I would be waiting for your comments, and I am desperately looking for your comments in the comment section. Fine. So till next video, all the very best. Stay happy, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.